Have you ever felt that your English is correct, but it sounds a little basic? The good news is that you don't always need advanced grammar to sound more fluent. Sometimes replacing a few common phrases with more natural expressions can make a big difference. Today I'm gonna show you 5 expressions that can help you sound more like a B1, B2 speaker. Let's get started. Instead of saying, I think, try saying, from my point of view. For example, I think online learning is useful. From my point of view, online learning is one of the most convenient ways to study. Instead of saying, I don't know, try saying, I'm not quite sure. For example, I don't know if that's true. I'm not quite sure if that's true. This expression sounds softer and more natural in conversations. Instead of saying, I understand, try saying, I see what you mean. Native speakers use this expression very often because it keeps the conversation going. Instead of saying, maybe, try saying, there is a chance that. Maybe she will come. There is a chance that she will come later. Instead of saying, I agree, try saying, I couldn't agree more. Use this expression when you strongly agree with someone. Use these expressions in your English conversations and see how much more natural your English sounds. Which expression was your favorite? Write your samples in the comments and let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.